Okay, all of you join your hands, close your eyes, start chanting Omkaram. Sai Ram. Purti said properly. Purti. Purti. चलिए तो सबसे पहले Sai Ram. Who is that Sai Ram? Okay. So I'm going to start with Anish. Not Anish, sorry. Mukund. Mukund, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
So you have to recite the poem Trains. Just recite the poem Trains.
Over the mountain, over the plain, over the river, here come the train. Carrying passenger, carrying mail, bringing
Don't
me
look at your textbook. Look at front. You're not supposed. Okay, very good then. Okay, excellent.
over the mountain, over the plain, over the river, here come the train. Carrying passenger, carrying mail, bringing their placed load in without fail. Thousands of freight cars all rushing on through day and darkness, through dusk and dawn.
Very good.
Over the mountain, over the plain, over the river, here from the train.
Who has name of the poet?
James and
Excellent, excellent bit, excellent. Very good. Okay. So
Thank you, ma'am.
after that, Lalit, is Lalit there in the class? No. Mansi, no. Kapil, no. Chetna, no. Ayush Yogi, no. Ankit, no. Okay, now I'm going to start with my reading test. For reading, I will take you for a idea. Aditya, is he there in the class, Aditya? आदित्य नहीं है। अभ्युदय ने तो रीडिंग हो गया, आदित्य का हो गया। अंकित, आराध्या राठौर, सायराम आराध्या राठौर, आराध्या राठौर, आराध्या राठौर। I don't know who has joined his class. Who has joined her class? I don't know. She is not there in the class, Aradhya Rathore. Atharv Bhargav, he is also not there. Ayush, no, not there. Chetna absent. Gaurav. कैमरा कैमरा तो ऑन कर लीजिए पहले, क्या करना तो बाद में बताऊंगी मैं। आपसे तो सबसे बड़ी परेशानी यही है कि आप कैमरा ही नहीं ऑन करते हैं, फिर मैं आपका टेस्ट कैसे लूं पता ही नहीं मुझे। टेक आउट द चैप्टर लिटिल टाइगर बिग टाइगर। पेज नंबर 69।
There was a mother tiger.
Wait, I haven't said you to read from there. You have to read from here. If the moon was bright, गौरव
नहीं मिल रहा।
नहीं मिल रहा तो आपके नंबर में 0 डालूंगी आपको। क्योंकि मैंने पहले ही बोला था कि आपको ये चीज मिल जाना चाहिए, आपको घर में पढ़ के रखना चाहिए। म्यूट योरसेल्फ। ये मैंने क्लास में पहले ही बताया था कि रीडिंग टेस्ट में इस तरह से लूंगी कि आपको दोनों चैप्टर्स को रीड करके रखना है, बीच में मैं आपको नहीं बताऊंगी। ओके, हार्दिका, Hardika is also not there in the class. Kapil, Lalit, absent. Mansi, Mohitanshini is over. Mukund,
Yes, ma'am.
take out page number 69
Yes, ma'am.
and read the last para. If the moon was
If the moon was bright, the mother tiger lay down and waited
waited,
wait for the dawn. She tied,
twitched,
twitched the tip of her tail, and the tiger cub
pounced,
bounced,
pounced.
bounced on her tail again. Again, if he ran too far away, the mother tiger called him with a low, quiet grunt. The tiger cub came back, but he did not like to sit near his mother in the jungle at night. One night,
Okay, wait. Now, recently I saw that Athar Bhargav has joined the class. Athar Bhargav, right now you have joined the class. Jivika, mute yourself. Athar Bhargav,
yes, ma'am.
बेटा कैमरा ऑन करके बैठा कीजिए, कितनी बार आपको बोला गया है, आप सुनते ही नहीं हैं। हाँ,
Yes, ma'am.
आप कैमरा बिल्कुल नहीं ऑन कर रहे हैं अथर, इस बार आप बिल्कुल कोऑपरेट नहीं कर रहे टीचर्स के साथ।
मैम मेरा कैमरा ऑन है।
अभी आपने ऑन किया है, आप अभी क्लास ज्वाइन किए हैं 10:10 पर। चलिए यहाँ से पढ़िए, टेक आउट पेज नंबर 70।
मैम मेरी बुक मिल नहीं रही है।
तो बेटा फिर मैं आपको लिसनिंग में रीडिंग में 0 नंबर दे दूं?
मैम
आपकी पिछली 2 बार से बुक नहीं मिल रही है। चलिए म्यूट कर लीजिए अपने आप को। पूर्ति, पूर्ति,
यस मैम।
read from here. Take out page number 70 and read from here. One night the tiger was tired.
One night the mother tiger was dead and closed her frog.
Huh? Closed her eyes.
Closed her eyes Opening.
The
Opening.
tiger cub
हाँ, the tiger cub. Oh, pointed, but the frog hopped
along the
along the he chased the frog
caught it.
and
It is not chased, it is chased.
chased and frog and
40, that means you are not studying properly at your home. You are not doing revision. आप अगर रिविजन कर रहे होते ना बेटा, तो आप मुझे बहुत अच्छे से रीड करके बताते, और अगर नहीं आता है प्रोनाउंसिएशन, then you might have asked me. ठीक है, आपको घर पे रीडिंग करना है, और अगर आपको नहीं आ रहा है तो आप मुझसे प्रोनाउंसिएशन पूछेंगे फोन करके, ठीक है। ये इस तरह से वर्ड्स का प्रोनाउंसिएशन नहीं करना है। सानवी,
yes ma'am.
now read this paragraph once again beta. One night.
Okay ma'am. One night the tiger was tired and closed her eyes. The tiger cub saw a tiny frog hopping along the ground.
Very good.
The tiger cub watched, but the frog hopped away. He chased the frog and caught it and ran to his mother, but she was not in sight. In- Instead, he saw a tiger bigger than his mother near him in the jungle.
Very good. Excellent, excellent, excellent. Now after that, Samarth.
Yes, ma'am.
Take out your textbook. The tiger's eyes.
Yes, see this. The
Read
tiger cubs saw
green eyes.
tiny frog.
पढ़ो समर्थ. The tiger's green eyes. यहाँ से पढ़ो.
The tiger cub saw a tiny frog hopping.
बेटा कहाँ से पढ़ रहे हैं, कहाँ से पढ़ रहे हैं आप समर्थ? आपको यहाँ से पढ़ना है. The tiger's green eyes glistened as he watched the tiger's cub. As he watched the tiger cub. जहां तक अभी सानवी ने पढ़ा उसके आगे से पढ़िए. आपको नहीं समझ आ रहा है? समर्थ, आपको बोलना पड़ेगा, काम नहीं चलेगा ऐसे. समर्थ बताइए. यहाँ से पढ़िए. द टाइगर्स ग्रीन आईज ग्लिसन as
Green eyes English as he waited
watched
watched the tiger cub the the tiger cub was
Heightened.
frightened. He could not hide or run. He
Hmm.
led the frog off away. The tiger crept up closer to the little tiger cub. But a roar filled
Roar
the
filled.
the roar of the mother tiger. He faced the other tigers and he went
Okay.
away.
Wait. Siddhi,
Yes, ma'am.
open your camera.
मैम कैमरा ऑन ही है.
अभी ऑन है, अभी आपका इससे पहले आपका चेहरा नहीं दिख रहा था. यहाँ से पढ़ो. बट अ रोर फिल्ड द जंगल.
बट
आपको पता है सिद्धि कहाँ पर है ये?
but she was
But a roar filled the jungle. Okay, Shivansh,
yes ma'am.
are you ready?
Yes ma'am.
Read from here. But a roar filled the jungle.
But a roar filled the jungle, the roar of that mother tiger. She faced the other tiger and he went away. The mother tiger liked to roar aloud big tiger roared to tell all of the other animals in the jungle that he was there. All the other animals in the jungle kept far away.
Hmm. Okay. Continue reading.
Okay. The tiger cub also liked to roar aloud Tiger cub roared to tell all the other animals in the jungle that he was there.
Yes.
There. But
Wait,
all
wait,
the other.
wait. Unmukt Kasit.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
But
But
all the other animals in the jungle were not
afraid.
afraid at all, and none of them ran away.
Ran away.
Ran. But there came a year when the small tiger cub was a full grown tiger.
Hmm.
He walked for miles all alone,
Oh.
hunting for game at night. Was when he roared to tell all the other animal in the jungle there that he was there. All the other animal in the jungle keep it far
It is not keep it. It is kept.
Kept far, far away. And the great big tiger that had been a small tiger cub, hearing his
Oh,
loud roar, smiled to himself,
smiled.
smiled, smiled to himself a great big tiger smile.
Okay. Now, Utkarsh Chokse. Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Read from the first page, number 69, first page. There was a mother tiger right from here.
मैम मैम
ये मैम मैम कौन बोल रहा है बीच में? अथर भार्गव की आवाज लग रही है मुझे।
मैम मुकुंदोदा
क्या यह मुकुंद बोली?
मैम कैन आई लीव क्लास
वाई?
मैम कहीं जाना है हमें
ठीक है।
सायरा मैम
यस यस। उत्कर्ष, read the chapter.
There was a mother tiger and her small tiger cub. They lived near a river in a
Shady.
shady jungle. When the sky was dark, the mother tiger hunted for deer and pig. The tiger cub steady close stayed close by his mother's side when
Side.
the
It is not
longer
side, it is side. SIDE, side.
side when the longer monkey share
Langur monkey
langur monkey share he
saw her.
saw her cold a
He
loud
called a
harsh call
harsh call.
harsh call
उत्कर्ष,
but
यू आर नॉट स्टडिंग एट होम। इसका मतलब आप पहले कैमरे को इस तरह से एडजस्ट कीजिए कि आपका चेहरा दिखे मुझे। अच्छे से। हाँ, आप घर पर ठीक से पढ़ते नहीं हो, रिवीजन नहीं करते हो घर पर। आप घर पर रीडिंग किया करो, रीडिंग नहीं करोगे तो आपका प्रोनाउंसिएशन नहीं आएगा। आपको 100 की प्रोनाउंसिएशन नहीं है, तो ऐसे जब 100 नहीं पढ़ने आ रहा बेटा आपको। SID ई साइड जो आप मैथ्स में इतनी बार यूज करते हो वर्ड, वो प्रोनाउंसिएशन नहीं आ रहा। फॉर दैट यू हैव टू कंटिन्यूअसली डू रीडिंग एट योर होम। डेली आपको रीडिंग करना पड़ेगा। समझ आ गया?
yes ma'am
हाँ, चलिए ओके। यज्ञा,
यस मैम
वेयर आर यू? या आई कैन सी यू।
यस मैम
Yeah, read from here. When the langur monkey saw her,
the langur monkey saw her he called a loud harsh call
harsh. The word is harsh.
a tiger is coming the
Sambar deer.
Bellowed.
Bellowed.
Cacker
Deer.
bracket
Barked.
and sometimes the game got away. She hunted they then for jungle fowl for
Peasant.
and for frog or went to river for fish, but she did not hunt every night. If the moon
Moon.
was bright,
Bright.
the mother tiger lay down and waited for the dawn.
Okay, यथार्थ गुर्जर.
Yes,
यथार्थ गुर्जर. Now it's your turn.
Yes, ma'am. See,
Wait. I cannot see you. Where are you? Yes. Yeah. Hmm.
it
Hmm.
the tip of her tail
It's
and
not here. It is her tail.
her tail and the tiger cub pound, pancaked on
Pounced.
pound,
Pounced.
pounced on her tail
Here.
again and
It is her. Her
her,
tail.
her tail again and again.
Hmm.
If he were too far away, the mother tiger called him with a low, quiet grunt. The tiger cub come back, but he did not like, to
Stay.
stay near his mother in the jungle and night.
Okay.
One
Wait. ठीक है. अब आज का ये वाला क्वेश्चन तो हो गया है. रीडिंग टेस्ट हो गया. रीडिंग टेस्ट इतने बच्चों का नहीं हुआ है, ये ध्यान से सुन ले. अभी भी अगर इनको रीडिंग करना है, मार्क्स चाहिए. टुडे इज द लास्ट डे. द नेम्स आर आदित्य लोधा. इज ही प्रेजेंट इन द क्लास? आदित्य लोधा.
ma'am.
Your turn is over. In the last class you did. चिन्मय. आदित्य लोधा 1. फिर अंकित हैं, आराध्या राठौर, अथर भार्गव, आयुष, चेतना, गौरव, हार्दिका, कपिल, लखन. आप क्लास में हैं?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, आपको भी रीडिंग करना है अभी. ललित, मानसी, सिद्धि.
मैम हमारी रीडिंग हो गई थी.
किसकी हो गई थी?
मैम हमारी.
अच्छा, हाँ, सॉरी, आपकी हो गई है. आपकी हो गई है, सॉरी बेटा. ठीक है. सिद्धि, ओपन योर कैमरा.
मैम कैमरा ऑन ही है.
चलिए पढ़िए. Take out page number 69. Read from here. There was a mother tiger.
Mother tiger, record mother tiger.
I cannot listen to you, सिद्धि. मैं आपकी आवाज नहीं सुन पा रही हूँ. आपको जोर से बोलना पड़ेगा. शुरू से पढ़ो.
मैम मिल नहीं रहा.
पेज नंबर 69 भी नहीं मिल रहा क्या बेटा? पेज नंबर 69 चैप्टर लिटिल टाइगर बिग टाइगर का फर्स्ट पेज है.
Record.
शुरू से पढ़ना है. देयर वाज अ मदर टाइगर.
There was a mother tiger and her small tiger cub. There lived
They lived
a river in a should jungle when the sky was dark. Mother tiger haunted or deer and pig. The tiger cub. STAY decided.
It is not style, it's state.
By has
Close.
decide when
Hmm. When the when the
well
langur monkey
the monkey say here he
saw her,
LED salad a LOUD loud harsh call WATCH which out a tiger is COMING coming the SAMBHR sambar deer DELLOWD
bellowed,
balloon the
bellowed,
balloon the deer
kakkar deer, kakkar deer barked,
deer darked and SOMETINS sometimes the game goat away she haunted HEN then for jungle FOWL foul for PHESANT
Okay. Now the students, those who have not read the chapter, those whose reading test was not able to, they are not able to read. They are Aditya, Ankit, Aradhya Rathore, Athar Bhargav, Ayush, Chetna, Gaurav. Gaurav is there in the class. गौरव जी हैं क्या? नहीं है. कीजिए अपने आप को बेटा.
क्या
अथर भार्गव हैं. अथर जी अथर बोलते नहीं है. ठीक है, जाने दीजिए. चलिए. नाउ टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू take out page. Now everybody just take out your classwork copy. Today we are going to do, take out your classwork copy everybody. Name the person who helped us. This thing we are going to do in the classwork copy.
what ma'am yes
We are going to do the person who helped. Huh? Okay. People who help us. Today we are going to do people who help us. Okay. Who is going to read the first one? Jivika, read the first one.
हम लिखना है a
हाँ, लिखना है
postman
इसको.
brings our letters
A postman brings our letters. What does the postman brings? He brings our letters. If suppose there is a fill in the blank that a dash brings our letters, then what will be, what you're going to fill? A postman brings our letters. Now second one. Chinmay, can you read this word for me? Chinmay. He's not there in the class, I think so. Chinmay. Chinmay is there, but where he went, I don't know. Chinmay. Okay, now after Chinmay, Anish, can you read the second one?
yes ma'am
Anish, read the second one, beta.
A task.
A cobbler
A cobbler.
mends
A
our
horse
shoes.
shoes.
मतलब हमारे जूते कौन बनाता है? cobbler. You might have read a poem also. Cobbler, cobbler, mend my shoe. Get it done by 2:30. Have you read this poem? Cobbler, cobbler? No. Okay. What is the first one? A postman brings a letter. Postman क्या करता है? Letter लाता है, डाकिया. A cobbler mends our shoes. Third one. Who is going to read the third one? Bhavyansh. Bhavyansh. Okay. Devangshi.
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Devangshi, read the third
Ma'am.
one.
Ma'am. A library works in
Librarian.
a librarian works in a library.
लाइब्रेरी आप लोगों ने देखा होगा, पुस्तकालय जहाँ पर किताबें रखी रहती हैं. आपके स्कूल में भी लाइब्रेरी है, देखा है आप लोगों ने? हैव यू सीन?
मैम
How
मैंने
many
देखा.
students? हाँ, very good. A librarian works in a library. Now next one. Kaviuddin, read the fourth one.
Yes, ma'am. A driver drives a motor vehicle.
A driver drives a motor vehicle. Who is a driver? What he does? वो गाड़ी चलाते हैं.
हम तो गाड़ी चलाते हैं.
ठीक है ना? Fifth one.
और
Alina,
yes, ma'am.
read the fifth one. Dramatist. Dramatist writes play. Dramatist क्या करते हैं? वो प्ले लिखते हैं. ठीक है. Sixth one. Sixth one कौन पढ़ेगा? कुशाक. कुशाक, are you there in the class? Purti, just read the sixth one. Okay.
A teacher in a school.
A teacher teaches in a school.
A teacher teaches in a school.
हाँ, ओके. अ टीचर टीचर्स इन स्कूल मतलब टीचर क्या करती है? पढ़ाती है स्कूल में. अ ड्रामेटिस्ट राइट्स अ प्ले. प्ले मतलब यहाँ पर है नाटक. ठीक है. ड्रामेटिस्ट क्या करते हैं? नाटक लिखते हैं. जो नाटक लिखते हैं उनको क्या बोलते हैं हम? ड्रामेटिस्ट. ओके. नाउ द नेक्स्ट वन. आफ्टर दैट लखन, कैन यू रीड द सेवेंथ वन?
Yes, ma'am.
Read the seventh one.
Ma'am, screen नहीं दिख रहा है.
Okay. Mohitanshini, can you see the screen?
Ma'am.
Can you see the screen, Mohitanshini?
Yes, ma'am.
Now read the seventh one, beta. A nurse.
A nurse look after patient.
Patients मतलब जो बीमार रहते हैं, पेशेंट्स जो है उनको नर्स क्या करती है? देखती है. आपने देखा होगा हॉस्पिटल में नर्स रहती हैं जो बीमार व्यक्ति होते हैं उनको देखती रहती हैं, उनका देखभाल करती हैं. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट वन. अमान, एट्थ वन.
Yes, ma'am.
एट्थ वन.
A clown.
A musician.
A musician.
Plays
musical
musical instrument.
instruments.
A musician plays musical instrument. Musical instrument मतलब जैसे आपका तबला, हारमोनियम, जो भी प्ले करता है उसको क्या बोलते हैं? म्यूजिशियन। ठीक है। 9th वन, उन्मुक्त का सच। उन्मुक्त का सच।
Yes, ma'am.
Read the 9th one.
An assistant
An astronaut travels in a spacecraft.
travel in a spacecraft.
हाँ, a clown makes people laugh. ठीक है, a clown makes people laugh. लिख लिया सबने?
Ma'am, I have done. Ma'am, Shivansh.
Clown means a person who makes jokes and does silly things to make the people laugh. जोकर वगैरह होते हैं ना, जो छोटी ऐसी सिली चीजें करते हैं जिससे सब लोग हंसें। All of you have done?
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay, just be
Done.
fast. Okay, who is that done?
Devanshi.
Very good, Devanshi. That means she is doing practice at her home.
Ma'am, I have done.
Very good.
I have done.
Chinmay,
Ma'am, I have done.
Chinmay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now can you read
Yes,
all
ma'am.
the 10 for me?
Okay, ma'am.
Hmm.
A postman brings our letters. A cobbler mades our shoes.
Mends our shoes. Mends our shoes.
Mends our shoes. A librarian works in library.
Hmm.
A driver drives a motor
Vehicle.
vehicle. A drumstick rides
Dramatist.
play. A teacher teaches in school.
Teacher
A nurse
in
looks
school.
after patient.
Hmm.
A musician plays musical instrument. An
Astronaut.
astronaut travels in spacecraft. A
अंतरिक्ष
clown
यात्री
makes
जिसको
people
बोलते हैं वो।
laugh.
Okay, very good. Everybody has done?
Yes. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
How many students have not done? Just can you raise your hand so that I can see how many students have not done? Chinmay not done. Okay. Just be fast, Chinmay, then. If you have done, then take out page number 80. If you have done, then take out page number 80. And just match it. अगर आपने कर लिया है तो पेज नंबर 80 निकाल लीजिए बेटा और उसको मैच कर लीजिए। Word building. Here are some people who help us. Try matching A with B. You have to match. Can you do that one by yourself now? Chinmay, have you completed?
On which page number? 7
Number 8080. 8080.
Okay, ma'am. I have done, ma'am.
Okay, very good. चिन्मय किस पर हो बेटा?
मैम 8 पर।
वेरी गुड, जल्दी कर लो। A postman brings our letters. A cobbler mends our shoes. A librarian works in a library. A driver drives a motor vehicle. A dramatist writes plays. A teacher teaches in a school. A nurse looks after patients. A musician plays musical instruments. An astronaut travels in a spacecraft. A clown makes people laugh. हो गया? चिन्मय हो गया आपका?
Done.
Done? Okay. So should I stop sharing then? Everybody has done?
Yes.
Jivika, completed? Mohitanshini,
Yes, ma'am.
completed?
ma'am.
Okay, okay, okay.
I have done,
Now,
ma'am.
now and then tomorrow I'm going to take a small test. Okay? So revise the chapter, what's in the mailbox. Okay, just do the revision of what's in the mailbox. I'm going to take a small test. Whatsoever I have taught you, that I'm going to conduct a small class test through Google Form. Okay, are you all ready? And day after tomorrow, I'm going to conduct your listening test. So be ready. परसों मैं आपका लिसनिंग टेस्ट लूंगी बेटा, कल मैं एक छोटा सा क्लास टेस्ट लूंगी व्हाट्स इन द मेल बॉक्स का। व्हाट्स इन द मेल बॉक्स को अच्छे से पढ़ के रखिएगा।
Okay.
मैंने आपको उसके क्वेश्चन आंसर्स करा दिए हैं, सानवी करा दिए हैं मैंने।
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है,
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ ठीक है, क्वेश्चन आंसर्स करा दिए हैं, वर्ड मीनिंग्स करा दिए हैं, हार्ड वर्ड्स करा दिए हैं, तो आप लोग इतना पढ़ के रखिएगा। नेम द पीपल हु हेल्प अस करा दिए हैं, ये सब करके रखिएगा। कल मैं एक स्मॉल छोटा सा टेस्ट होगी। यस देवांशी, व्हाट्स योर प्रॉब्लम?
I don't have a problem.
You don't have? I'm not able to listen what you want to say. हाँ, just speak out once again. You don't have? Shivansh, yourself.
problem.
Don't have any problem. Okay. Shivansh, mute yourself. मैं just wait.
Ma'am,
हाँ, yes, unlock.
मैम मैं लीव हो गया था, तो अभी आपने क्या करने के लिए बोला था?
मैंने ये बोला है कि कल आप लोग का एक व्हाट्स इन द मेल बॉक्स का क्लास टेस्ट होगा। शिवांश, म्यूट योरसेल्फ। शिवांश,
Okay.
कल व्हाट्स इन द मेल बॉक्स का क्लास टेस्ट है और परसों आपका लिसनिंग टेस्ट है। मिन 2 का लिसनिंग टेस्ट है, उसमें जो भी एब्सेंट होगा वो एब्सेंट हो जाएगा। इज इट लाउड एंड क्लियर? एब्सेंट मीन्स एब्सेंट। फिर आपका टेस्ट होगा नहीं होगा उसका कोई वो नहीं है। यस चिन्मय, आर यू हैविंग एनी डाउट?
मैम गूगल फॉर्म में क्या क्या आएगा?
व्हाट्स इन द मेल बॉक्स में क्या क्या करवाया है मैंने? क्वेश्चन आंसर्स, वर्ड मीनिंग्स, हार्ड वर्ड्स, हेल्प अस, बहुत सारी चीजें आएंगी। जनरल क्वेश्चंस।
ओके
Have you
मैम।
understood the poem or not? So revise the poem
Yes,
thoroughly
ma'am.
at your home.
मैम मेरे को पोम याद भी हो गई है।
Very good. ठीक है, हम क्लास एंड कर रहे हैं शांति पाठ के साथ। We are going to conclude the class. Join your hands. Close your eyes. शांति शांति।
शांति शांति
शिवांश, आपने आपको अनम्यूट नहीं करके रखना है, पूरे टाइम अनम्यूट करके रख